I think Trackman's back. He's had to slow down over the bump. Actually, a nice day out here today. Raining, cool, humid, but 79 degrees. But we'll see Trackman in a minute. Oh, he's working over here, Trackman, the little guy. There you go, there's little man working. He's trying to move that big thing with the little skid steer. He's gonna get it with that? He's wrecking that thing. Those things are heavy, man. That has to be like probably, that could be almost 1,000 pounds, that piece of wood right there. Maybe more, 2,000 pounds. They are not light. I'll get it. Just gotta keep tossing it around. He needs a chain, man. Wrap the chain right around it. That's what he's lacking. Right around that bucket. Go around the stump. Drag it right out in the street. That's how they apparently did it in our old house when we had a bunch of trees removed. Like when I was just a little kid, or maybe not even alive yet. I don't know. Yeah, this guy needs a chain. Should I let him use my chain? I don't want to break it though. Oh, there's the Volkswagen guy that complains. The little yellow Volkswagen guy. He's gonna go, what the hell? Right now he's coming. He's gonna go play watching that guy. That guy's an ass. I drive all around here and stops and stares. Alright, there's another one. You say Condo land, just in and out with the vehicles. Yeah, it needs a chain, dude. More vehicles. These people do is they ride around all day. It's season time now, so you get these freaks that travel down here. They pack into these little condos everywhere. They're gonna complain about the trees. The trees! Wanna get that bitch. You got it. Oh, he's bogging that thing. He's gonna stall it out. Damn, he stalled it. Damn. Break it? Nope. Best would be the chain, man. I don't think they have one. Alright, we'll get back to you on this. Another one's coming. And this signature Cadillac. That's how you know it's season time. Who else would drive one of those things? Garbage. Alright. Let's get out of here before some other people will be watching. Why is this kid with the video camera? Getting the Bobcat, man. That's what you gotta do. You see, it's like the tow truck. You just gotta keep shaking it around this way, that way. Keep moving your angle, and you will pick what you want to pick. There we go. He got it now. There you go. Just turn it right over. Yep. That's what you gotta do. Just push it. He needs a chain, man. You put one of those landscape. The guy just jumped the bump, missed it over the wet, and the whole thing goes sliding. These people are stupid, man. They go over speed bumps 40 miles an hour when it's wet, up 30 miles an hour. That's my commentary. He got it. He got it. Hell yeah. He has to oil like his chains or something. Those things are really clinking. Oh no, that was my electrical wire. We lost power. No more. No more power. He needs a chain, man. Freaking big ass half-inch one, which I don't have. I think I did have one back in the day. Probably it was sold on Craigslist and I didn't sell it. Not knowing the value of chain. People I live with. I'll get bit by mosquitoes out here, man. It's bullshit. Sorry for the shaky cam. It's kicking them off for me. Still mosquito season. Oh, you got it, you got it. Oh man, that thing's bigger than the damn loader. It's crazy. Let's chain it, man. Even to the back of it. Drag that thing right out. I'm gonna go over there and tell them in a minute. Working on this for too long. Thinking, who has a chain though? A price out chain? Even a long piece of 3/8 chain, high quality shit like grade 80. Not cheap, man. Not cheap at all. $150, some $200. You get a 1/2 inch chain, or probably even the 200s, $240. Since they're 5/8. Alright, I'm done with this. I'm getting bit by bugs, people looking at me crazy. He's getting it though. The TrackMan is doing work. Let's push it into that damn drain ditch. Who cares about that shit? Leave it in there. Fuck that tree. Cut that one up with a sawzall. Needs a chain. Chain is the shit. Chain or straps. Everyone get yourself a big chain. Made in USA. Get yourself a strap too, USA as well. They can't make a chain in this country, it's ridiculous. Alright. Oh, here comes another one that's gonna block my view. Hey, this guy's getting stuck again. Unless you're getting paid by the hour and not by the job. I already had that thing out already. Playing around with it too long. Oh, there he goes. He's gonna bog it. Those roots are huge in that tree. Maybe tomorrow we'll get like a bulldozer or a semi truck in here and just crash into it. Nope. I got it. Hell yeah. Tractor man is doing work. Just gonna drag it over the bump now. Give me back my tree stump. You stole it. You stole that tree stump. Give me it back. Give me that thing back. That's my tree stump. Alright, the show is over for now. I don't know what it's gonna do with that thing now. Oops, out of frame. I'm bad with this. It'd be easier with a camcorder. I get a point and shoot and it rocks around on the mount. The Tractor Man. I mean, that's TrackMan. Tractor Man hasn't shown up yet. Alright, that's that. Cars are looking at me. And I don't care. Tractor Man. There's more of these looky-loo people. I don't even show it, but they just pass by. So that's how to remove your tree stump right there.